This recording describes the plant and processes at Outo Kumpu Stainless, Shepcote Lane Works in Sheffield. Over the past 50 years, the plant has produced austenitic and ferritic stainless steels. A major investment programme in the 1970s includes most of the plant shown in this presentation. Since 1992, the works has concentrated primarily on austenitic stainless steels. The Trade Centre is the finishing department for Coil Products Sheffield, where coil from the wide strip mill is cut into sheet or slit down into coil to the customer's specification. The steel is then packed and stored in the automatic storage and retrieval system, ready for dispatch. The Trade Centre was built in 1990 and completed in 1991 at a total cost of 43 million. It has a total floor space of 28,000 square metres, and the department is capable of processing 300,000 tonnes per year, operating on a 24-hour, 7-day shift rota over 50 weeks per year. Within the main process area, there are 10 overhead cranes, an automatic coil transporter, with a further 4 10-ton cranes in the dispatch bay. Bay 1 is the work in progress bay, where coils are stored ready to be loaded onto the process lines by 2 30-ton Morris radio-controlled cranes.